Hello my friends, I'm Salam Ahwal, a computer knowledge seeker. I aim to learn and help others if I can. Thanks to JRS, my teachers and colleagues, today I'm presenting this video in English, hoping that you enjoy it. Now, before I start the tutorial, I want to give you a brief introduction. In this video, I will try to show you how to make a bootable recovery which you can use to restore your operating system in case it fails to boot or if it gets infected by a virus. This tutorial is especially dedicated as a response for Mr. Muhammad Osman Sagri, who asked for this method. For my friends in the Information Technology Department in National Center for Construction Laboratories and Research, for my friends in JRS, and for everyone who seeks computer knowledge. This method is good for everyone, ITs who work for companies or stores, and individuals, because you can use it to make the computer look like if it is a bundled system as the ones bought from HP, Dell or Lenovo with an operating system installed originally on them. Besides, it will be so useful if you need to restore your PC to its original state when you created this backup image, and you'll be restoring it from your hard drive without the need for a bootable recovery disk. Before you start making this image, I advise you to set up all the options and install all your needed programs so you can get them back as you like them whenever you decide to recover your system back. In addition to the recovery process, I'll make another bootable Windows disk image which you can choose to boot to it from your hard drive, which is helpful if you need to repair your Windows or if you decide to install a second operating system on your PC. So let's get started. In the beginning, I will show you the needed programs which I'm going to use in this process. First of all, I will show you my hard drive. I will close this picture now and we'll start. This is my hard drive. This is my DVD drive, and I've already inserted a Windows 7 DVD in it. Now, to start the process, you will need a space which is enough to contain the data in the C drive, which is the Windows partition. Now, you can do it by two ways. Either using these programs. First of all, I will be using the mini tool partition wizard to repartition my hard drive. Then I will use the EasyBCD, which I'm going to change the boot sequence in it and make a boot entry. Then I will use one of these programs, one each time, to show you the difference between them. First, I will use the Acronis True Image. Secondly, I will use the AUMI one-key recovery. First of all, I will start by repartitioning my hard drive, which I'm going to do using this mini tool partition wizard. You can do it like this to open the disk manager from my computer. Right click, manage, then you go to the disk management, and you'll need to go to this partition, and you can either go by shrinking it, then creating a new volume. I'm not going to use this method. I will use a partitioning program instead. This is my hard drive. This is the E partition. I'll right click it, then use the move and resize. Then I will resize it to something I think it's good. Most people who made these videos on YouTube before, they said you should make a partition which is as large as the data stored in the C drive, or maybe bigger. That's not important in all the cases, only if you are going to make the image uncompressed. If you compress the image, you won't need all that space. You can need maybe half the space. But now I will just go for a 40 gigabytes, which is more than enough. Then after that I will just press apply, and yes. Okay, then this is the unallocated space. I will right click it, then press create and make it a logical partition. Okay, apply. Okay, that's okay for now. I will close this program. Now I will start opening drive and going to my disk drive. This is it. I will take all these files, right click, copy them, then I will go to my F drive and paste them. During that I will pause the video and return when it's finished. Now the copy process is finished and we're back. I will minimize this, use the easy BCD. Well, this is the program. This is the editing boot menu. Now I have only the Windows 7. I will add a new entry and we'll go to WinPE. Then I will rename it to Install Windows. Then I will go to the path and choose from my F drive, go to the sources, then choose the boot.wim. Add entry. Now if I go to the edit boot menu, I will see this is the install Windows, and here I can change the time for the countdown, and I will make them 20 seconds only. Then I will save these settings and exit the program. Don't remind me, no thanks. Now I will try to restart. See here, this is what we have. This is the Windows 7. We can boot to our system, and here we can go to install Windows, and I will just click enter. Here we go. This is English, and next. And I use this process mostly for repairing my computer, not to install Windows, but you can use them for both. I will just show you how to go and start the repair process. That's it. Now we are going to start our main process and tutorial for this day, which is how to make a bootable image to restore later. In this tutorial I will use the Acronis True Image 2014. First of all, I will go to the tools and utilities. Okay, and I will make a Acronis secure zone. Here I have to choose a partition in order to make the secure zone. So I'm going to use the F partition, this one. Okay, and click next. Where it's going to take me to choose the size of the partition. This is it. I can take up to 35 gigabytes, so I will take 30 gigabytes of space for my secure zone. Click next and wait for it until it finishes creating its secure zone.
This is my hard drive in the end. This is the secure zone, and this is the partition F, which I put my Windows disk image in it. Now I will click proceed, then it will start performing its actions and finish creating the secure zone. Now this is my hard drive, and you'll notice that the secure zone has changed into a primary partition, not logical like these. This is what I wanted to show you. After my secure zone has been created, I will go to the Backup and Recovery tab. I will choose the Disk and Partition Backup. Here I will choose my System Reserved and C drives. Then it will be stored in the Acronis Secure Zone. I will change this schedule to Do Not Schedule. I will maximize this window and change the backup scheme to open the backup options. I will choose a single version scheme. Save these settings. The advanced, I have many options I can choose from. I can choose to validate the backup when it's created. Performance. This is where very important to me. I always choose the maximum compression level in order to use less storage space for the recovery. I will click OK. I won't go to the others. I'll change the name to All Set. The name is optional. And now we will just start the backup now, or in an hour, 2 hours, or whatever. I will click backup now. It will start creating the backup, and I'll be back after the backup is finished. Now this is the Acronis Secure Zone, and we've completed creating our image, and I will show you how will my hard drive look. This is it. This is the Acronis Secure Zone. This is my disk management tool, and this is my hard drive. Okay, I'll minimize all of these, and I will start the Acronis True Image. And go to the Tools and Utilities, Acronis Startup Recovery Manager. If Windows works unstably, press F11 at boot time to recover your data or whole system. This is which is going to enable the F11 key. Now I will click Activate F11, and Acronis Startup Recovery Manager activated successfully. OK, and click Exit. I will exit all of these, then reboot and show you how it will look. And restart. Now press F11 in this stage, and this is how it will look. I will click OK. Then it's either go to Windows and boot the original system, or go to True Image and start the recovery process. Now after it's started, I should go to the Recover My Disks. This is it, and it's already chosen the image file. I will just click Next, then Recover Whole Disks and Partition. Then I will click all of them, Next, and Next, another Next, and I will recover disk signature 2. Press Next, and it will start. After the Proceed. That's it for now. This is the recovery operation, and I hope you find this video useful. don't hesitate to comment or send me any questions you need to find answers for them. I will be happy to help and learn. Goodbye for now.